Here's the best free VPN for your iPhone in 2026. Now let's head into the App Store on your iPhone. And let's say you're wondering or signing up for a VPN service and you wanted to know which one is the best option, which one is super fast, gives you lots of flexibility, and best of all, is completely free. Now on here, let's just search for VPN, and what you'll find when you get through this list is there's a long list of VPN apps. You can see dozens and dozens of VPN apps, a lot of them with pretty good reviews, and in some cases, they have lots and lots of reviews. For instance, NordVPN, 4.7 stars, 600,000 reviews. However, I find the best VPN is the one where you can download and start using it immediately without having to sign up or give them your email address, phone number, all that stuff. The nice thing is the one at the very top, VPN Super Unlimited Proxy, is the one I prefer. So if you tap on download, I'll show you what it looks like. All we need to do is once it's downloaded, tap on it to open it up, and you'll immediately be taken to the screen where you can connect after hitting accept and continue. You'll be able to see you're on this screen. Now, it does say, hey, do you want to pay for it? But the nice thing is it's completely free. You don't actually have to pay for it. At the very bottom, you can just hit proceed with ads. And now on here, I would highly recommend first tapping on location. You can see it automatically chooses the fastest server for you. So if you just want the fastest server, you can just go with that one. However, if you wanted to go to a different country's server or VPN, you can scroll down and you can see Sweden, Norway, Brazil, Japan, all sorts of different ones. So let's say on this, we're gonna look for one with low latency here. So you can see in this case, the UK, 89 milliseconds is pretty good. And on here, I'm gonna hit allow when it wants to set up that configuration. And then I'll just enter in that passcode for my phone. And just like that, I'm connected to the UK VPN. And essentially all of the traffic from websites, apps, etc., is routed from my iPhone to the United Kingdom and then over to that website, etc. It's really easy to be able to disconnect. All you need to do is, let's hit not now and go back. Just tap on that power button again, and just like that, you've turned off that VPN.